Welcome to 143 Sierra Morena Tc Southwest. I want to share with you the excellent value we're offering in this client's home here. We've got a recent sale here that happened in 2018 in October, and it sold for $660, 1487 square feet. Now this home was fully renovated, but it just shows you what these can be worth with a little bit of paint and some flooring and a few other things. And if you look at another sale, we've got another sale over $600,000. We've got one at $612, and this one looks pretty much original. And you can see the original carpet. Not much changed here. And the kitchen, of course, is a closed kitchen design, and could use some upgrades on this one for $612,000. And we'll take you to the next one here at $605 is the sale price on this one, and this one really needed a fair amount of work. Original sunshine ceiling and laminate counters, and like I say again, all original condition here. What you're really going to appreciate when you enter this home is all the nice new walnut hardwood. This is in pristine condition, as is all the rest of the home. Fresh paint and high ceilings. You really get a grand feeling when you enter this property. You've got a cozy gas fireplace in here, and remember that this isn't a condo. This is actually homeowners association, so you don't have to deal with all the condo association rules and bank accounts and all the rest of it. Now the front kitchen faces southeast, which brings in a lot of light, especially in the morning, pretty much all throughout the day. There's a convenient patio just off the east side of the property for barbecuing, just a small one there, but it really lays out quite well with updated granite counters here as well. We've got a nice large master bedroom suite with vaulted ceilings here as well. Big ensuite bathroom, separate tub and shower, and a good size walk-in closet. There's also a second bedroom here on the main floor that's been converted to a den, so it's got built-ins where the closet would be. The shared bath looks kind of like new, it's rarely used. Stepping downstairs, we've got this nice feeling of open space, and of course another fireplace down here and a good sized sitting area. It's a great TV room. You've also got two additional bedrooms down here, of course another one used as a den with built-in cabinets, and a good shared bath here as well. You'll appreciate having the laundry downstairs with all the noise away from the master suite. Out back, you've got a massive patio back here, and it's really quite private with lots of green or grass area back here, and you've got a view of the mountains. If you actually look from one side of the patio, you've got west sun that comes at you, and it's just a good peaceful place back here, and no fences. It's like no obstructions back here. Now remember, as I said before, this is not a condominium, which means it is a homeowners association. Now there is some rules regarding the homeowners association. Having said that though, the homeowner association president currently has a garden in his backyard, which means that the homeowners in the community are actually very open to anything that improves the properties.
Thank you for taking an interest in our client's home. I want you to have the best buying experience possible. Call us today and book your showing.